That's not what the front of a gun barrel looks like. I don't know if I'm gonna get flagged, so I'm not gonna whip a real gun out, but this looks very sus how much meat there is to the metal of the barrel. So this is what an Airsoft magazine looks like, right? Where it's got this little titty, right? Because on a real magazine, you just have this cutout right here and you see the bullets so they can be, slipped into the barrel. But on an Airsoft magazine, you have this little tiny thing because you need the pellets. So our buddy Flesh Simulator points this out, that the magazine right here, it's got this little nipple on it where the BBs come out at. So dude's really waving around an Airsoft gun on stream.